Hello and welcome. I'm Asima Katauka and you are watching NewsX World. Let's take a look at some of the top stories. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky will meet British Prime Minister Keir Starmer in Downing Street ahead of the high-stakes Trump-Putin summit in Alaska tomorrow. President Donald Trump has warned that President Vladimir Putin has only one chance and threatened severe consequences if Russia fails to halt its offensive. The Israeli military announced that it has approved a new offensive framework for Gaza City, with Army Chief Lieutenant General Eyal Zamir endorsing the plan amid escalating airstrikes that Gaza officials say killed at least 75 people in just one day. Hamas has condemned the aggressive incursions, warning of a scorched earth policy. India and China are in talks to resume border trade after a 5-year hiatus. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi will visit India next week for high-level talks with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval on border issues, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's trip to Tianjin for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit. Talks on a UN landmark global treaty to combat plastic pollution fell into disarray as dozens of countries rejected the latest draft. According to media reports, environmental NGOs also slammed the text, warning it fails to address the urgency of this crisis. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's sister Kim Yo-jong has dismissed South Korea's peace overtures as a pipe dream, insisting that Pyongyang never removed its propaganda loudspeakers and will not do so. She also condemned US-South Korea joint military drills as a futile motive that failed to hide the allies' hostile intent. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said Washington looks forward to cooperating with Pakistan on critical minerals and hydrocarbons. According to a State Department statement on Pakistan's Independence Day, this comes after both countries celebrated a trade deal last month that Pakistan said will lower tariffs and boost investment, reported Reuters. Peruvian President Dina Boluarte has signed into law a controversial amnesty bill granting legal immunity to military police and self-defense groups for crimes committed during the 1980 to 2000 conflict against the Shining Path and Tupac Amaru guerrillas, which left 70,000 people dead. The law criticized by the United Nations and the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. A drone attack struck the Sudanese town of Tambul, southeast of Khartoum, killing 2 people, including a child. According to medical source, the strike underscores